I'm now going to show you how to split a clip and insert a transition. If you have a continuous piece of footage and you want to break it up, or maybe you have two discrete pieces that you want to link together, this works both ways. But one of the more complicated things to do is actually break a clip in two and insert a transition into the footage. So what you need to do is have your footage already on your timeline, move your playhead where you want to break it up. So I'm just going to eye this and say I want it right there. You can use your arrow keys, your left and right, to use the nudge feature, which goes frame by frame, which is very, very convenient. And then, so let's say I want to split the clip there. If you go under Modify, you can say Split Clip. Command B is the shortcut. Now if you look under the playhead, it is completely split. But if I play it, it's continuous. It doesn't really do anything to it. It's like a razor blade. It slices right into it, but it allows you to now put a transition in. So up here under transitions, there's a few we can use. I'm going to use cross dissolve, cross blur, and the fades are pretty popular. I'm going to do a cross zoom. So click, drag it down, and notice it parts the clip, and you put it in. You cannot use a transition if you don't have existing footage, because what it does is it works with existing footage. And this one is a cross zoom, and you can see, I'll play this and see what it looks like. You can also sort it, and this is what we have on the computer already. There's the titles that are already there to choose from. Using transitions creates a polished video, and it just comes across as more professional. The other thing that you can do, now that you've split the clip and put a transition in, you can move your footage around if you need to, now that you've split it. Or maybe you want to cut a piece out. I'll move the playhead there. I'll hit the shortcut Command B, which is, I guess, for blade, like a razor blade, and then I split it. Let's say I don't want this piece of footage. I can hit Delete key, and it will pop out. So now I've cut that out. So that's one way you can edit while on the timeline. Typically, best practices when you're in your own media, up here with your footage, you only select what you're going to drag down for one clip, but you can do editing in the timeline.